Union. Happy Friday morning to you, and I would like to thank those of you that came last night to Literacy Night. We had a really good turnout. You all were well behaved, and I saw some nice looking cookies that people decorated and ate. A kindergartner today told me he made a blue cookie, but he thought the hot chocolate was his favorite part, and he really liked that. So, and thank you to all the teachers that helped to make that a successful night. We'll go ahead and get started with our flag salute, so if you please stand and remember to show respect with your voices off. Attention, salute, pledge. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Now if we'll look at the Oklahoma flag. Attention, salute, pledge. I salute the flag of the state of Oklahoma. Its symbols of peace unite all people. You may be seated. Next, we'll recite the Wildcat Way. W stands for? You have great effort in everything you do. I stands for? We want to get better every day as a person, a student, and a player. D stands for? Oh, I skipped one. L stands for? Everyone can set a good example. D stands for? On the field of play, in the classroom, and in your personal life. C stands for? Expect to win, don't accept losing. A stands for? You can always control your attitude, effort, and enthusiasm. And T stands for? Put your team first, be unselfish. And if you're interested in watching Wildcats compete this weekend, it's kind of busy for our, both basketball teams are in tournaments. The girls are in the Union Jinx tournament. Boys are in the Altus tournament. I think the boys play at 11:30, the girls at 4, and then wrestlers are in Pahuska in the tournament. So it's a busy weekend for our athletes. Now's the time for our moment of silence. This is the time for you to think about the day ahead. Today, your lunch choices are cheese bread with marinara sauce, seasoned black beans, cherry tomatoes, steamed broccoli, and fresh orange slices. And now we'll get on to my favorite part of Friday with our Wildcat Way Awards. If you're sitting back here, why don't you guys go ahead and go sit with your class. Choose your walking feet, please. Walking feet, please. Wildcat Way word for Miss Snelling's class is Xander Stevens, but he's not here, so I'm going to give this to her. Maybe if he happens to pop in late, we'll come back around and meet. Ramina Henry. Mrs. Clark's class has chosen Ramina for this week's recipient of the Wildcat Way Award. Although Ramina is new to Union and to Ponca City, she has effortlessly fit into the Wildcat Way. She became a part of our team from day one, making friends and showing kindness to everyone she met. She has worked hard to learn our routines and procedures and has already become a leader in our classroom. She shows great work ethic and always has a smile on her face, and we're so excited that Ramina is a Union Wildcat. Next, Valerie Logan. Ms. Sharp says Valerie Logan has a vibrant imagination and excels in creativity. She is sensitive to the thoughts and opinions of others in the group, and I'm thankful to have a chance to be a part of her educational journey. said, this is my very first Wildcat Award, and it is how exciting. Next, we have Haley Horn. Hallie Horn. Mrs. May says, Hallie shows great discipline by not giving up, and she practices until she masters her skills. She loves to learn, and she is a great role model for her classmates. Way to go. In second grade, Novena Loeffler. Mrs. McHenry says, I would like to nominate Novena for this week's Wildcat Way Award. Novena works hard in all she does. She strives to improve on each STAR test we take, and she takes her learning seriously. She is kind to others and never has a harsh word to say about anyone. She's a great team member for our class. And Kyoko. Ms. Berger says, I'm nominating Kyoko this week for my Wildcat. Kyoko has made major improvements in reading and in math. She's a great leader in our classroom, and I am so proud of her for all of her hard work. All right, in fifth grade, we have Gentry Hendren. Mrs. Smith says, Gentry is a pleasure to have in class. She takes care of her business and stays out of others' business. She comes prepared to learn and is friendly to others and a great team player. Students like Gentry are easy to teach because she is eager to learn. And to top it all off, she has fantastically neat handwriting, which makes my life so much easier. Lexi Lane. Ms. Sherman says Lexi Lane is an outstanding Wildcat. Her smile and positive attitude are contagious. Lexi is working hard to improve herself and continues to strive for success. We are so lucky to have such an outgoing individual in our classroom. Congratulations. In fourth grade, Isabel Stout. Ms. Herzog says, my Wildcat of this week is Isabel Stout. Isabel has made great strides in the classroom this year. She's working hard every day to make growth and become better. I appreciate her positive attitude and willingness to work on herself. I'm thankful that she is in my class. Kiera Smith. Mr. Peach says, our Wildcat of the week is Kiera Smith. Kiera has only been with our class for a few weeks, and in that time she's demonstrated an incredible work ethic and desire to improve her schoolwork. She is outgoing and an awesome friend, and she constantly shows us what it means to be a Wildcat. In third grade, Hayden Calvert. Ms. Taylor says, I picked Hayden this week because she demonstrates the Wildcat way each and every day. She shows great work ethic by turning in her work on time and by always doing her very best on each assignment. She takes notes in class and asks questions when unsure about something, so she is always improving. Finally, she shows leadership by setting a great example for her classmates on how to live the Wildcat way. And last but not least is Brianna Beard. Ms. Pruitt says Brianna is a great student. She works on her schoolwork and is a wonderful friend to everyone. She's a sweet and loving young lady with a bright future, and I'm so glad to have her in my class. And congratulations to all of our recipients, and remember when we dismiss to meet at the center circle so we can take your picture. So I hope you have a fantastic day of learning, and you are dismissed.